Good morning. It is December 4th. Welcome to Vlogmas. And of course, we're gonna start things off with our advent calendar this morning because we got stuff to do. So first things first, day 4. We've already opened 3 thus far. We got the corner up here, number 4. Whoa, no, dropped it. Got another red ball, probably the same as yesterday. Ooh, came out cleanly for once. Well, this one did. Yeah, it's the same as yesterday. Still tasty though. Very tasty. Now today is a day for us to go do a little bit of shopping. The holidays shopping in general is kind of like a stressful thing, which I kind of try to semi-avoid it as much as possible, but I don't mind doing it if I have to. But even just for shopping for regular necessities can be kind of stressful during this time because so many people are out and about doing their own thing at the same time. So we're gonna do a little bit of shopping today, and not just at a regular grocery store. I mean, we're going to like a big box brand store that has lots of shelves and bulky items. Now, luckily, it is one of those things where I don't normally go to one of these places, maybe like once every other month or every 2-3 months, depending on what my supply needs are. Pre-shopping errand, Mama J's getting a little hair did, a little trim. So yeah, she's accompanying me to the shopping. Made it to Costco. We're parked at the back of the warehouse as most of the front spots have already been taken or people are waiting for those spots. And rather than wait and fight for those spots, I might as well just walk. Hello. Thank you. All right, made it in. Certain aisles will be crowded, and other aisles will be like 1 or 2 people in it. Protein powder. Now that we've got our essentials, we're gonna check out the little holiday stuff that they have. So maybe find some gift baskets for our neighbors, because usually every year I give little, tiny little gifts here and there for our neighbors that we've known for years, and we've all been a pretty tight-knit group. So we're gonna check that out. It's like the abominable snowman. I kind of want these, but I don't have room in my apartment. I don't know, future decorating ideas, I guess. The thing about living in an apartment is that space is limited. So you gotta pick and choose. If you're a fan of Doctor Who, this will never be in my house. If you know, you know. Just when we thought we found something for the neighbors, it's actually for ourselves. And if you're my neighbors watching this, look away! This is cute. I want this one. Where am I gonna put him though? All right, now to tackle the checkout line. If you've ever been to a Costco, any bulk store type stores, you'd know that the checkout process can be a bit arduous if you come on really busy days. Ooh, luckily, doesn't look like it's too crazy. Made it out of the store. Out for some food. One of the things I like about the Costco is the food. Nothing too fancy, but still delicious. And cheap. And cheap. Usually, Mama Jane and I will get a hot dog each. And then we'll have either a chicken bake or a pizza under the shaded umbrella. But it's not too crowded today, surprisingly. So we came at the right time where we still had room to move around, although we didn't really get a lot in terms of what we bought. It was enough. Now, I was sad they actually got rid of the churro, but it makes up for it with the double chunk chocolate chip cookie. Double chocolate chunk cookie. Yeah. So, I'm not sad about the churro anymore. Mama J said to show the cross section. All right, a quick Costco haul recap from what we got. Of course, the first being toilet paper, followed by my protein powder, the BB Go sticky rice, Topo Chico, the sparkling water, and then of course moving on to some of the holiday stuff. We got some of these Danish butter cookies. Next, these chocolate truffle candy cookie dusted things. And last but not least, the David's butter pecan cookies. And there you have our Costco haul, half necessities and half holiday giveaways for this year. And with that, we'll call it here on day 4. Thank you so much for joining us on our Costco shopping extraordinaire. We got lucky. It wasn't really too crowded, so to speak. There was a crowd, but not too crowded where we can't move, if that makes any sense. So we lucked out today. Come back tomorrow for day 5 and see what shenanigans we'll get ourselves into. In the meantime, do like, subscribe, and come back as we will have more fun things to do. So stay tuned. Until then, I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.